Hey guys, we're gonna do a cool video today. It's gonna be a lot different than the other videos that we've been doing. It's gonna be nice and short too. We're gonna talk about simple tricks that you can do to boost your EV ROI. The first thing I want to talk about is Skype and distractions. So I wrote a lot of stuff down here, so I'm gonna read from my notes on my phone here. So Skype and distractions. So the first thing I want to talk about that is make sure you don't talk to anyone on Skype or read a single thing on Skype when you have games up. This is insanely important. You lose so much focus doing this and might not even realize it in game. Keep Skype minimized always. Don't read not a single word. I mean, once you're reading, you won't realize it, but your mind is getting off of the game that you're playing and it's now focused on, those words that it sees. So I don't even like to have it up. I like minimizing it completely so it's just completely out of your way and it won't capture not even 1% of your attention while you're playing games. And then, when you're taking a break, then you can read through Skype. But while you're playing, you don't want to answer Skype, you don't want to read Skype, you don't want to chat Skype, you want nothing to do with Skype. And this is huge because I know we have some really social guys on 651. They like to chat. Some guys like to chat more than others, but I'd be very careful to do it while you're playing. I mean, if you keep the Skype minimized, you won't even know if somebody's trying to chat to you while you're playing. So you'll see the chat, a few hours later when you're done with your session, then you can go catch up on the chats and talk to whoever you really want to talk to. But you really don't want to be pulling up Skype while you're playing. Super, super important. This one thing can literally bring your EV ROI from 1% to 4%. That's how huge it is. You should never really underestimate the power of focus. Not only with Skype, but with anything else. Don't have random internet browsers open or Facebook or any of these things while you're playing. Not even between hands or just at any time at all. Like having those things open while you're playing is just a huge distraction. Sometimes you might want to, read your news feed or whatever else. Huge no-no. Again, you want to do this after you're done with your session. After you've played your 2 or 3 hour session, you're on your break, you want to eat something, check your Facebook, check your Skype, chat on Skype, do whatever you want. But while you're playing, definitely don't want to do that. The only thing that should be on your computer is the PokerStars tables that you're playing. And way too often I see people chatting while they're grinding, and this goes for MTTs as well. You can say, well, Jack, I play MTTs and I chat and I still do really well. If you don't chat, you will do a lot better. That's for sure. I know that for a fact. You haven't really unlocked your full potential unless you're giving 100% of your focus on the games that you're playing. Do this and watch how your results really just start to turn a corner.